Labour and Dharwad District in charge Minister SantoshLad showcased his benevolence by extending support to two individuals facing different challenges. SantoshLad came forward to assist Siddappa, a young man with special needs and remarkable academic capabilities, originally from Kittur Taluk of Belgaum district. Siddappa, currently pursuing a final year master's degree at Karnataka University, approached SantoshLad seeking help. Impressed by his determination, Lad, known for responding to those in need, pledged to provide Siddappa with a three-wheeler and financial assistance of Rs 25,000.
ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದು ತ್ರೀ ವೀಲರ್ ಇದು ಕಳಿಸೋದು, ಮೋಟರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನದು ಬೈಕ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಯಾ? ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಟರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಮೋಟರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇವು ನಾಳೆ ಇವನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 25,000 ಚೆಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಇವನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 25,000 ಚೆಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಇವನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ
The minister's compassionate demeanor, characterized by friendly interactions and genuine interest in Siddappa's family, has earned admiration from the public. In another act of kindness, SantoshLad Foundation allocated funds to support a nursing student named Lakshmi. The student, facing financial constraints, sought help from Minister SantoshLad. Responding to her plea, Lad's foundation granted her a cheque of Rs 20,000, encouraging her to continue her studies successfully. Minister SantoshLad has garnered praise for his consistent humanitarian efforts, particularly in providing financial aid, encouragement and support to girls in rural areas who seek assistance for education.
ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಸನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ತದಾಳೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾರವಾಡನಾಗ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರಪ್ಪನ ಮಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು 20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ ಹುಡುಗಿ.